Hello everyone, welcome to the skintools tutorials, and today we start talking about the spring. The spring is a function that to simulate the chain movement to create a spring and follow through animation. So let me just show you how it works. It's really simple. Pick out the joint. And see, I already have a basic simple movement on the root joint. And now I'm gonna to make all the child joint can follow its movement, have a follow through result. To get all the child joint, and just right now just try the default value. See, apply. Okay, here's the result. So you see they will follow like a chain, and not only have the wave but also have the twist. And play it. Okay, that's really simple and beautiful looking. So here we can change the spring value. If you move the mouse there, then you will see how the value working. So the bigger number means softer chain, and as well as the twist. So if I set as like 0.3 and twist at 0.3 as well, then I will get a bit harder result. Let me try again. Apply again. Okay, let's play it. See, it's a bit harder than previous result, and less follow through. So we can adjust how hard the chain is by set a different value. And also we can set the key range. The active means the current timeline I have. If I set move to like 30, then it's only will affect 0 to 30. Then the from 2, as I can set a time range like from 20 to 40. Then it will only start from 20 and 40. That's quite simple, and also this function already included in the previous skintools. But in the latest version, it's a big change is I add a collision function for the spring. So let's open another test case. Collision means they will collect the chain can collide to something else. Let me remove it. So let's say I want to make the chain collide with this bone, and this bone mean like a finger or leg or something else, and it can interact with this chain. So to do that, I have to prepare a thing is I have to have a collision body for this bone. So I pick the bone and say add body. Then I will have a collision body on that. I can change the size of the body with like scale it, or make it thinner, larger, wider. So I can change the shape of the collision body to make it match with your geometry. And you can even move it to have an offset a bit. Okay, let's say I wanna, when the chain calculation, it will also concern about the collide body move through it. So let's do it. Oh, there's a thing before that is to presentate the collision. One thing is the chain have to move a bit, so they have a bit movement. If the chain like this, the chain is always in position, then the collider will not happen. It's a limitation. So I just simply slightly move it. In real case, your chain will always move follow the character, so it will not be a problem. But in this test case, you see, I will move the chain a bit to make it can collide. Okay, now I pick this red chain and active the collision. And I think it's yeah, let's do it first. So just apply. Oh, I mean, I needed a softer one. I like this 0.7. Let's present it better. Okay, active range, then apply. See, after case, see when they touch, it be affected a bit, and then back. It's just slightly inflated. So it's we think we want like more obviously influence, not this slightly shake. Okay, because that's the slightly shake is because it's the movement, the speed of the collide body move is a bit fast. So we needed to get fast move, click on, and then let's try again. See, now it's follow more, but still popping. It start follow at the beginning, but still popping at the end. But it's much better than slow move without click on the fast move. So how to capture it in this even fast situation? Then we can change the precision. So how the precision work? Let's use the blue chain to compare with. Precision means it will separate one frame to several parts. Like if I set as a 10, it means each frame will check 10 times in each frame to trying to capture that fast move cylinder. So let's try this. I set position as 10. It will slow down the calculation because it's calculate more, but it will get better result. So as long as it passed, it's like 20 frames, so I just shorten the calculation frame to make it not take too long time. Okay, let's position 10 and keep the rest of setting the same, then apply. You see it's moves slower and it can catch the collision body much better than default setting. See, let's play it. See, let me slow down it. See, it's get. It's always get it, never missed. So compare with position 1 setting, the red is position 1, the position 10 setting can get it much better. So the collision also supported the loop, so I can click on the loop and say apply. See what's the loop result for this collide movement. It will take a double time because the loop will calculate the process 2 times. And here is a progress bar. So if it's going too slow, then you can know that you maybe should go to have a coffee or something. Okay, it's almost there. See, let's play it. See, the chains are looping result. So compared to the red one is without looping, it's popping, but the blue one is pretty smooth. So we can check the last frame and the first frame. See, that's almost same. Sometimes it's not perfectly looped. So another way is we can simply copy the bump pose here, and then paste at the start frame, set a key, Now it will be exactly the same frame, same pose. Then you can get a loop result. The loop result is really important for video game. Yeah, you as a video game animator, you know it. So usually precision 10 is good enough for most of case, but sometimes even 4 is good enough. So let's go to a kind of real case, what we made. So here is a kind of leg movement. We just imagine there's a leg walking or running, and he had two skirts, one front skirt, one back skirt. So we wanted the leg can collide with skirt when he is running. So the collision body we can add or remove by simply hit delete, or we can add a body and use like remove body button here to remove it. If we have lots of collision body we created, and then after calculation we just want to simply get rid of them, then we can clear them all. That's really simple to use. So we add a two collision body here and change the size a bit to match my leg size. So idea is don't make your collision body overlap each other too much. This overlap will cause more popping result. Okay, so that's our leg. So I can just simply pick the front one and say the position 2 and apply. Okay. Oh, I hit the loop, I forgot. So there's another pass for the loop. So see the leg collide with the skirt and move the skirt. So when you have a like complex skirt or long skirt character, now you can get the correct result faster than your hand keyframe. Let me turn off the loop. So let's do it for the back one. You see, there's some twist happens immediately I hit the apply. The collision is still there, but the bone chain twists in a wrong way. See, the twist happens here on the mesh. Let me make it clearly. So the mesh twist because the bone twisted. So what's happened is let me undo the chain, the spring calculation. The calculation can be undone. Okay, it's no chain. So let's check the bone. On the bone attribute, we see the joint orient has 180 degree value on the x-axis, and there's 180, there's 180, there's a minus 90 or something. So those values will affect the result of chain calculation. The good chain will always have 0 joint orient, or small number, but never 180. So a way to fix this issue is we use the straight bone pose to make the bone straight and get rid of those orient number. But for this, I need to save out the skin weight for my skirt. So in the weight panel, I export my skin weight, say skirt. Okay, then I remove the skin. and fix the bone pose. Here, hit strike. Now you see there's no joint orient number here. After that, you can still post your joint to match up with the mesh, but I would suggest you always do a strike to make sure you can get correct result. Then I move back to the mesh. Just slightly match it. It's not it's not need to be a perfect thing. Then apply the skin and import back my previous weight. Okay, it's already there. Okay. Now let's see the chain result again. The spring, we hit apply again. See the collision. So now you see there are no twists anymore. And the leg collide with skirt. Okay, that's quite simple. And so how the fast move, when we should turn on or turn off it. The fast move is, let me open the first case. So the fast move is mainly for if the collision body is moving fast, we click on. But if the collision body is moving slow, even just in position, like I can make a case as I create another collision body, follow this bone. It's too big, I move the bone a bit. Okay. And I change this animation a bit. I just make it go and collide with the collision, not moving collision body. Then if I turn on the fast move, and I pick all the child bone and say collision, and the position I just set to 1. Go. See, let's see the result. See, it's popping to the collision body. Let's turn off the collision, see what's the no collision result is. See, it should be without collision, it's getting to the collision body, and with the collision and with the fast move, we got a popping result. So in this case, we turn off the fast move, then apply. See, there's no popping anymore. So this is only for like collision is moving fast, then we hit the fast move for like sprinting, running, collide with skirt. And if you just want a close collide with something not moving, then you just turn it off to get a smooth result, and that's it. So the tension is describe how the force will go through the chain. With the correct number, you can get a smooth result when the collision happens. There's less popping. Usually I just leave it 0.5 and not really need to change it too much. And the web subframe is when the position is bigger than 1, then like I say 3, it will calculate 3 times for each frame, but after process it will remove the frame between the inside the frame. It will remove the keyframe inside the frame. But if you want to keep them, then you can unclick the wipe subframe. Then we say apply again. Then you will see there are lots of keyframe. Each frame will have 3 keyframe inside it. So in most of cases you don't really want to keep them, so just keep it click on. I just leave this option for some special request case. Yeah, I think that's everything about Spring, and thank you for watching the video, and let me know how you think. Thank you. Bye.